In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get spirit stones fast here in Sailor Peace on Roblox. It's going to the best drop location. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, you have to have C2 unlocked in order to get these. And of course, what I would recommend doing is teleporting over to the blue planet. So interact with the teleporter, teleport over to the blue planet, and once you're here, go ahead and go left from the portal. You're going to see all these NPCs over here. Go ahead and make your way over to these NPCs. Now, these are the enemies that you want to go ahead and farm over and over and over. Now, there was a big misconception back when this update did first drop that you have to exclusively use your fist for this drop. That is not the case. You can use melee, swords, fruit, whatever build clears the enemies the fastest for you and allows you to grind the most. But these are mythical rarity stones. The drop chance is not extremely high. I would recommend using luck boost if you have them, lucks, relics, or a luck title if you have it as well. But once you get a spirit stone, all you need to do is open up your inventory, right? You could just search for spirit stones so that they pop up. You just gotta select it and then eat it. I've actually already done all of this, so I don't need to eat anymore, but that's the full process right here. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.